Hello everybody, it's Thalia and welcome back to another video, guys. And today's video is going to be a 15-minute makeup look for this fall of 2022. I am so excited, guys, to show you step by step how to create this look. It's so easy to achieve and I think it's great for every day, but also you want to be quick out the go. If you guys are new, hello, my name is Thalia and welcome to my channel, guys. If you guys are not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe down below. Just hit the red button and notification bell so you won't miss any videos. That's pretty much it, guys. I really hope that you and your family are doing well and safe. Let's go ahead and start with this video, shall we? To start with our 15-minute makeup look, the first thing I'm going to do is take my Wet n Wild dewy, really nice glowy, nice shimmer, and I like to apply this all over my face. I feel like it gives a nice glow, but it's also a primer. I'm gonna go ahead and take my e.l.f. Makeup Mist and Set spray. I'm just gonna spray this all over my face. I like going in with the Wet n Wild Bare Focus Tinted Hydrator. This is what I'm currently using, light medium. And this has hyaluronic acid, which I love anything that's hyaluronic acid. The coverage is sheer to medium. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply this all over my face. So I'm taking my beauty sponge and I'm gonna go ahead and spray in my foundation. It gives a really nice coverage. Like, it's not too full coverage, but I just love how it's super lightweight. It's not heavy. It just feels so nice on the skin. I like to bring it down to my neck, kind of close to my ear. I'm going in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer. I got the shade Toast, and basically I'm taking this concealer right here just to give a little contour, a little bronze on the face, and I'm just doing like 3 lines on the forehead area, around my nose. I'm going very slightly on the nose. I'm also going to apply a little bit on the eyelid just to have some color. Same sponge, and just going to spray it one more time, and I'm just going ahead and squeeze my beauty sponge, my sponge like this, and kind of blend the kind of like contour, like bronze up that area. And then kind of focusing like kind of upwards. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and blend my nose area, the eyelid. And I usually apply this on my eyelid just because I'm too lazy sometimes, depending on my mood, but sometimes I'll get lazy to apply eyeshadow, or like if I'm in a rush and I only have 15 minutes, this is what I normally do. Head, gotta make sure it blends well. I'm gonna go in with my same old favorite concealer ever. It's the e.l.f. Hydrating Concealer, and I got the shade Fair Warm. Super hydrating and doesn't get dried up like other concealers. And I like to apply a little bit of concealer. Some concealers are full coverage, some are not. This one, it definitely gives a nice coverage, so the less the better. Nice. I'm just going ahead and blending that in. Going in with the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Translucent Powder, and this one is the shade Translucent. Basically, I'm taking this powder and just applying my under eyes just because they do crease, and I don't want it to crease. And I'm also going to set the eyelids. My e.l.f. Flawless Concealer brush, and I'm taking my e.l.f. loose powder and just setting my under eyes before they crease, setting my eyelids. So basically I'm just applying it on my under eyes, all over my eyelid. I am going in with the Mirror Beauty. I love this. This is like my go-to. This is the Terracotta. I feel like this is a really nice blush. It's like a blush and then bronzer at the same time. And basically, I just like to apply this and kind of blend that in. This will be like my blush slash bronzer, and I just like to take my beauty sponge and then just dab this, and then I like to bring this upwards and with my finger I'm just gonna go ahead and take a little bit, kind of dab it on the nose area, just because I do just have some little color. And I'm just taking my e.l.f. Ultra Precise Brow Pencil, just line it up on the bottom and the top. Brush that upwards. I don't like to take that long with my brows when it comes to like an everyday or 15-minute makeup. I just like to go real quick with them. Taking my brush and brush it to with highlighter. I'm going in with the Benefit What's Up highlighter, and this is the shade Soft Focus. Taking my finger actually and kind of applying it upwards. Like when it comes to like a 15-minute, I still like to apply somewhat a cream highlighter. I just feel like it will give a really nice glow to the face. And I'm just taking a little bit of that highlighter and then just applying it the tip of my nose, up the bridge of my nose, my cupid's bow area, and that's pretty much it. Going in with the Innocence Make Me Brow. I got the shade Brownie 02, and I'm just gonna go ahead and set my brows and brows are done. I'm going in with the Maybelline Fit Me pressed powder. I got this in the shade Classic Ivory. This is one of my favorites. Basically, I'm just taking this and applying on my eyelid. I like to add a little bit of extra powder just because my eyelids, they crease. I do want my makeup to last a little bit, especially like at work. And just set that in place. Make sure it's good to go. Back with the e.l.f. Makeup Mess Setting Spray, and just set my whole face with this. I'm taking my Hoola Benefit bronzer, and I'm just taking a little bit of that color shade and taking my Morphe M573. I'm just gonna go very slightly on the eyelid and basically applying it all over my eyelid. I like to have some sort of color on my eyelid. Just applying it all over my eyelid. Big Mood e.l.f. mascara. This mascara is so good and super affordable. And I'm just gonna go ahead and apply mascara. I'm going in with my NYX Professional Makeup Matte Lip Liner, and I got the shade Sandstorm. And I'm just going ahead and line up my lips. And I'm just taking a little bit of my Ulta Beauty lipstick. I got the shade 226. And basically, I'm just applying this the center of my lips. I'm just taking my e.l.f. Mint Melt Lip Plumbing Gloss. And just taking that and applying that the center of my e.l.f. Mist Setting Spray. Guys, that is pretty much it for my 15-minute makeup look. It is super easy to achieve. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye guys.